Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Grindr app banned problem. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you've been banned on Grindr here and you're trying to get your account back, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, usually Grindr here bans you if you've actually went against or broke their community guidelines. Now, usually Grindr here does not support any kind of harassment, but just in case if that is wrongfully or the ban is not just and you want to actually appeal for that or maybe hopefully remove that from your account, well, the first thing that you may want to do is you want to make sure that this is not a glitch. Now, in some cases, sometimes the app may be malfunctioning, so that's why you may be getting the banned notification. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and look for Grindr here, press and hold on it until you see the pop up here and click on the eye icon here. Now, you can also access this page here, which is the app info, by going to your settings and going to apps and just looking for Grindr, and you should be able to see the app info page as you can see right now. Now, at the bottom right of your screen, you want to go and click on clear data and click on clear all data and click on OK. Once you've done that, you want to go and exit Grindr and you want to go ahead and basically open up Google Play Store and see if there are any updates. Now, if there are any updates, go and install that as well. Restart your phone and see if that actually helps. Now, just take note that you may need to also re-log into your account in order for you to see if the problem is actually solved, since basically clearing all the data here logs you out from your account. But yeah, so if that doesn't help, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to appeal for the ban. Now, appealing for a ban is quite easy. The first thing you want to do is you want to go open up any browser, just type in Grindr banned, and you want to look for help.grindr.com, and you want to see the link or want to look for the link that says how Grindr moderates content and profiles. So let's go and just click on it. Now, in here, you want to go and scroll down a bit here, look for appealing a ban, click on it. And you want to go and look for the link for appealing for a ban. Now, usually it's going to be the here link here. Let's go and just press on it. And it should redirect you to the appeal form. Now, typically, you will need to basically log into your account. So you need to enter your email, your password, and you want to go ahead and just basically review the guidelines and basically submitting a ticket. Now, typically, it is recommended to only send one ticket when appealing for a ban. So if you're sending multiple tickets to their support team, this could actually delay the actual processing of the appeal, because they'll work on multiple tickets and they'll just pass it around. So only send one ticket so that they can actually focus on that one ticket. Now, usually they would respond after like 24 to 48 hours, and you just need to wait for any discussions from them. So usually they would email you for any updates, so make sure to keep in touch, or you may want to check your email as always. But just in case they can't recover your Grindr account, the last and final thing that you could try doing here is you may want to create an account. Now, the thing with creating new accounts here for Grindr, it is recommended that you use a different email address when doing so. So maybe a different number as well, so that you can create your account. Now, sometimes if they detect that you're using the same number and same email, they won't allow you to create a new account. So again, a different email as well as a different number in order for you to sign up again into the platform. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.